Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with atbbq.com, and today we're making chimichurri. Chimichurri is a classic South American condiment that's used with grilled meats all the time. So we're gonna do a specific video today just to show you one version of the many versions that you could do of chimichurri. All right, so first ingredient we're using is shallots. Now the great thing about what we're doing today is that we're gonna do it in the blender, so you don't have to do too much knife work, just a little rough chop. Now we've got 3 cloves of garlic. The great thing about chimichurri is you can kind of do this any way you want. There's no real rules as far as I'm concerned. There's a lot of room for experimentation, and that goes for ingredients as well as techniques. You can do this by hand. You can chop it and have more of a rustic chimichurri. The things I do think you have to have in a chimichurri, if there are any rules, is parsley, oregano, and red wine vinegar. So we're taking the path of least resistance today and putting all of our herbs, garlic, shallots into the food processor. Now for the brininess, we're gonna add a couple tablespoons of capers, about 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, about 6 tablespoons here of extra virgin olive oil, and the last thing we're gonna do is add just a little bit of salt and pepper seasoning in the form of Lone Star brisket rub, which is salt, pepper, garlic, and celery. I'm gonna break this down pretty fine because we're actually going to use this for a pulled pork recipe, which you guys will be seeing very soon. Scraping down the sides so everything breaks down evenly. All right, so there we have our finished chimichurri. Let's get a taste. Herbs right off the bat. Get the parsley first, then the cilantro for me. Garlic next. I did add quite a bit of raw garlic to that, so you're gonna notice it. But again, play with it, have fun with it, enjoy your food. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out atbbq.com for all the products featured in today's video. If you enjoyed the recipe, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments, or there's anything you'd like to see me cook, let me know in the comment section down below, and let's be good to one another. For more recipes, tips, and techniques, head over to atbbq.com/thesauce. All things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.